Hi there, I'm back. Today we have in the house a super budget smartwatch, Maxima Max Pro Vibe. It's priced at just $19.99, yes, under 2000, and it has almost everything. A huge display, heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, 100 plus sports modes, 100 plus watch faces, which I think is pretty impressive for this price. We've decided to do a giveaway. Watch this video till the end to know how you can win these. So let's start with the unboxing, but before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging of the Maxima Max Pro Vibe. Inside the box, we get a warranty card with the QR code, the Maxima Vibe watch itself, some more paperwork which is actually the user manual, and a pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches as you bring it closer. So we'll start with the build and design, but first we'll remove the screen protector. Okay, so we get a square dial body and we get a polycarbonate frame. Now this polycarbonate frame comes with this amazing golden or rose gold finish which makes the device look very premium. Towards the right you can spot a single button. The straps are made of soft silicone material, really nice. Comes with the buckle design, and the buckle too comes with the golden finish which is color coordinated with the frame. The buckle has the Max Pro badging if you see carefully. Then moving towards the back has some sensors in the center, the heart rate sensor, the SpO2 sensor and the charging terminals below. Now there is this plastic screen protector which is actually protecting the sensors. Make sure you remove this so that you get more accurate readings. Then these are 20mm straps that can be replaced with other third-party bands. It's fairly simple, just pull the hook mechanism to release. Now overall I can say that the watch quality is really good. It's also really light, which means you can easily wear it at night to track your sleep. Alright, it's time to pair the watch. So you take your phone, go to the Play Store and download Maxima SmartFit app. By the way, this app is also available on the App Store for iOS devices. Continue, click on Add Device, allow location use, press the button on the watch on the side for 2 or 3 seconds. You'll see the Vibe branding and you'll see Max Pro Vibe. Click. And there you go, the watch is paired and ready to use. So this watch comes with 380mm water resistancy rating, so you can wear it in the rain, you can wear it at the gym because it's sweat resistant, and you can also wear it for a swim. In fact, the watch comes with swim tracking and tons of other water sports activities. You know, of late I've reviewed a lot of smartwatches and they're usually IP67 rated or maximum IP68 rated. But a 380mm watch for under 2000, this is a first. Very impressive. So, coming to the display. Now this is a 1.69-inch LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 280 pixels. Now even though this isn't a very high resolution display, you can see that this watch face has small text which is very clearly visible. The overall color reproduction is also decent. I won't say it's very vibrant, but still pretty good. Now we've reviewed a lot of watches which we have seen have tons of features, but the user experience isn't that great. With the Maxima Max Pro Vibe, it's smooth and so responsive. Never misses a single touch. Then in this watch, we get 550 nits of peak brightness, and we tested it outdoors. As you can see, it's super clear even under direct sunlight. And this is a huge plus point for this watch. Very clear and totally visible. Coming to the interface. Now as you press in the center of the watch, you can actually change your pre-installed watch faces. Here you can see this is a beautiful widescreen watch face. This will also give you an idea of the bezels of the watch. But I personally prefer that you keep a black color watch face that kind of blends in with the bezels. When you swipe from up, you can access the quick toggles, you can adjust the brightness from here, you can see the weather, you can go into the settings. In settings, you can change the menu view, grid view, list view. Personally, I prefer the list view. I'll just give you a quick look at the grid view. Now this is how the grid view looks. It is actually quite good and I know a lot of people prefer it, but personally, I prefer the list view. Then you can adjust the vibration intensity, you can adjust the brightness levels, vibration on off, power saver mode, calculator, and calculator is kind of a must have on every watch. It comes so handy. Then there's reset, power off, about. So as I said before, it's a very smooth and easy to use interface. Now if you want to install more watch faces on them, then you'll go to the Max Pro Vibe app, you'll go to watch faces. On the first page, you will see the watch faces that come pre-installed. Then right below, you'll find more watch faces. Here you'll find more than 100 plus watch faces, and there is a huge collection, bright and colorful, digital, analog. It's a huge one. Now let's download this one and test it. And there you go, that watch face is transferred to the watch. Similarly, you can also set custom watch face. Go to watch face 3, click on the image in the gallery that you want to save as a watch face, click on save, and there you go, custom watch face is saved on your watch. So actually you can install so many more watch faces directly from this app. Then we also receive incoming call alerts, and you can see it's almost instantaneous. There's also a vibration alert on the watch. You can see the caller's name with an option to reject the call or silent the ringer. There's no way to answer an incoming call, only reject and silent. And similarly, you also receive app notifications. You can see the app icon, you can also see the sender's name, and you can read the message right on the watch display. It's very clear. Sadly, there's no way to respond. You can only dismiss it by pressing the button on the side. Coming to health monitoring. But the first thing we're going to do is check if those sensors are reliable. We're going into heart rate and just placing it on the table. And there you go, it says, please wear the watch properly and try again. So then we wore the watch on the wrist and checked the heart rate and then even SpO2. The readings are very accurate. However, keep in mind this is a smartwatch. So use the readings just for reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to sports tracking. So we'll go to the menu and we'll scroll down to exercise. Here you can see, click the plus button, it's running, walking, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football. There's also swimming support, tennis, rugby, golf, yoga, workouts. Oh my god, there's a long list. Now when you go all the way down, press the plus button, you can see the popular sports. Then you have water sports, you have sailing, water polo, water sports. Then you have outdoor sports, rock climbing, ATVs, parkour. Then further in training, dancing, combat sports, ball sports. My god, there are more than 100 plus sports modes that you get on this watch. And if you're someone looking for sports tracking on a budget smartwatch, this is just perfect. Now, coming to the battery. Well, Maxima hasn't shared the exact size of the battery, but it should give you about 10 days for typical use. Keep in mind, battery life will vary depending on how you use the watch, the brightness levels, the sports modes you use, notifications that you are getting. So expect it to last about 7 days with heavy use. Now, coming to the Maxima Smart Fit app. Well, you can see all your health monitoring and workout data on the home page. It's very well organized. Then in the settings, you can choose from the notifications option, from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Then you can set alarm time directly from here. In other settings, you have drink water reminder, heart rate warning, and women's cycle reminder. Overall, a very simple and easy to use app interface. Alright, final thoughts. Well, the Maxima Max Pro Vibe is a good budget smartwatch for $1,999. But keep in mind, you cannot answer or receive phone calls on this watch. Yes, you will be notified for an incoming call though, but you cannot answer it. And I know there are a lot of people who prefer just this, just a good smartwatch with no frills. Also, Bluetooth calling smartwatches really have very short battery life. Here you get about 7 to 8 days of battery life. Also 380 water resistance rating, 100 plus sports modes and more for just $19.99, which I'd say is a complete value for money deal. You can buy this in 4 colors. There's black gold, there's silver, and there's pink. I'll leave the links for all in the description. If you're looking for a watch under 2000, you should definitely check this one out. Alright, time for a giveaway. So you can win this black gold variant that I'm wearing, and you can find the giveaway details in the description. They're fairly simple steps and I highly recommend you participate because winning this one is totally worth it. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share this video. Until next time, cheers!